So here's the thing. I used to think successful trading was all about finding that one perfect indicator or some secret strategy the pros were hiding. Spoiler alert, it's not. What actually changed everything for me? A simple trading routine. And I'm talking about a real structured approach that I built using Olymp Trade. Because here's what most beginners don't realize. Trading routines are the real key to success, not magic indicators or algorithmic robots. Today, I'm breaking down exactly how I built my routine from scratch, the mistakes I made so you don't have to, and how you can start building your own even if you're a complete beginner. Now, before we dive in, let me be real with you. I'm not sitting here on a yacht telling you I made millions overnight. That's not how this works. When I first started, I jumped into trades without a plan, chased losses, and honestly, I blew through my first practice account faster than I'd like to admit. Classic beginner mistakes. But that frustration led me to something valuable, realizing that consistency beats luck every single time. And that's where having a routine comes in. It's been the difference between guessing and actually knowing what I'm doing each trading session. By the end of this video, you'll have a blueprint for creating your own trading routine, one that fits your schedule, keeps you disciplined, and actually sets you up for better decision making. No fluff, just actionable steps. Let's get into it. Alright, first things first, why does a routine even matter? Think about it this way. Successful trading requires disciplined psychological habits and effective risk management strategies, with emotional control being crucial for long-term success. Without a routine, you're basically trading on emotions. You see a chart moving, you panic, you make impulsive decisions. Sound familiar? A routine eliminates that chaos. It gives you structure, keeps emotions in check, and helps you stay consistent, even when the market's doing something wild. And here's what I love about Olymp Trade specifically. They've got customizable charts, technical indicators, and trading signals built right into the platform. So you're not scrambling around trying to piece together tools from 10 different places. Everything you need is right there. Plus, they offer a demo account where you can practice and build confidence before trading with real funds. This is huge, especially when you're building your routine, because you can test different approaches without risking actual money. Okay, so let me walk you through what my typical trading morning looks like. And trust me, this didn't happen overnight. I tweaked this over weeks of trial and error. Step 1, clear your head. Before I even look at a chart, I spend about 10 minutes just clearing my mind. Research shows that meditating for just 10 minutes before trading can help sharpen your focus, while deep breathing between trades can ease stress. I usually do some deep breathing or listen to something calming. It sounds simple, but it works. Step 2, market overview. Next, I check what's happening in the markets. The Forex market operates 24 hours a day, 5.5 days per week, so there's always something moving. I look at economic news, check the major currency pairs, and see if there's any volatility I should know about. On Olymp Trade, I use their integrated news feeds and signals feature. The dashboard has tools like signals, trading conditions, and indicators all in one place, which makes this part way easier. Step 3. Set my trade parameters. This is where I decide what I'm trading today. How much am I willing to risk? What's my target? What pairs am I watching? For me, I usually focus on 1 or 2 currency pairs from Olymp Trade's selection of over 30 currency pairs. I don't try to trade everything, that's a recipe for burnout. I also set my trade duration. With Olymp Trade, you can set trade durations starting from 1 minute, which is great for short-term trades if that's your style. I personally prefer slightly longer time frames, but the flexibility is there. Alright, let me walk you through a hypothetical example, just to show you how this routine plays out in real time. And by the way, this is not financial advice, just an illustration for learning purposes. Let's say it's Tuesday morning and I notice the Euro-USD pair is trending upward based on some positive economic data from Europe. I've already done my morning routine, checked the news, and I'm in the right headspace. Here's what I do. 1. Analyze the chart. I pull up the Euro-USD chart on Olymp Trade. The platform has 30 plus technical indicators, so I add a moving average and RSI to confirm the trend. 2. Set my trade. The indicators confirm the upward trend, so I decide to place a trade predicting the price will rise. Let's say I invest $50 with a duration of 15 minutes. With potential returns up to 80%, if my prediction is correct, I could see a return of around $40 in profit. 3. Wait and monitor. I don't stare at the screen the whole time. That's the beauty of having a routine. I trust my analysis and let the trade play out. Important note. This is a simplified example. Real trading involves risk and not every trade works out. That's why weekend planning and reviewing your performance weekly is so critical. You learn from what went right and what didn't. Here's something most beginners skip, and honestly, I did too at first: the post-trade routine. After my trading session, I spend 10 to 5 minutes journaling. I write down what trades I made, why I made them, and how they turned out. Did I follow my plan? Did emotions creep in? Weekend preparation is crucial. Planning your trading week ahead without the stress of moving markets. So every weekend, I review my week, update my watch list, and set alerts for the next week. This reflection phase is honestly where the growth happens. You can't improve if you don't track your progress. So here's the bottom line. Building a trading routine isn't complicated, but it does require consistency. Start with the basics. Clear your head, analyze the market, set your parameters, and review your trades. Use tools like Olymp Trade's demo account to practice and build confidence before risking real money. Remember, consistency beats luck every time. The routine you build today becomes the foundation for your success tomorrow. If you found this helpful, do me a favor. Hit that like button and subscribe for more trading tips and honest breakdowns like this. Drop a comment below and let me know. What's the hardest part of building your trading routine? I read every comment. And hey, if you want to check out Olymp Trade for yourself, I've got an affiliate link in the description below. Full disclosure, if you sign up through my link, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. But honestly, I only recommend it because they offer a demo account and 24/7 support, which is perfect for beginners building their routine. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy trading!